High-performance CNC machine setup requires more than technical skill. It demands attention to detail through every step. Upstream from production makes even the smallest oversight in a setting, a measurement, a tool selection at machine setup a risk for wasted time, rework, defective parts, or worse, damaging machinery that often costs $250,000 or more. Setup pros treat every step as critical, double-checking every setting, every offset, and every detail as a confirmation. Noticing and addressing even the tiniest errors, inconsistencies, or anomalies can affect the overall quality of your work. This skill is crucial in high-performing CNC machine setups because it helps to ensure precision, avoid mistakes, and achieve the highest quality results. What does attention to detail really look like in setup? It's thoroughness, making sure nothing is missed. It's consistency, maintaining a process in each setup. It's accuracy, verifying every input, every adjustment. It's focus, staying locked in, even during repetitive tasks. It's critical thinking, spotting errors before they become costly problems downstream. Attention to detail doesn't just improve setup quality, efficiency, and safety. It builds trust across the shop floor and enhances your personal brand. In fact, it's a fundamental concept or skill required for setup pros because the entire machining process depends on it.